Page 64, Savior, again to thy dear name we raise. B flat major, 2 flats, 4/4 time, no eighth notes or nothing, so the rhythm's pretty simple. Let's talk about this one hand at a time, starting with the right hand. Forget these wavy lines for a bit. We'll come back to those. Right now, let's just get the notes. We go 1, 2, 4, and then 1, 2, 4. You have to just work these chords out 1 chord at a time. I don't know that I can help you with that. You'll get used to seeing these chords if you play much sacred music, especially out of a church hymnal, because you're going to see them a lot. This is not piano music. This is more vocal music, but that's all right. We'll do what we can with it. I don't know that I need to point everything out to you, because it's just a matter of getting the chords, and you can just use their fingering. You can't really make it legato very well, but the pedal will help out on that, so do the best you can with the chords. The left hand, same thing, it's chords. Keep the left hand soft. Put them together, again, you just got all these chords, all these notes. I don't use their fingering. You can work out your own fingering. It's up to you on how you finger them. Second line, third measure. This does not sound right. You have a C plus an E flat, B flat, and a D. Ugh, but that's what's written. So just be very careful with it, and you'll work out the chords. Now let's go back and put in the wavy lines. The wavy lines will help a little bit. When I play them, I play the bottom note on the beat. Some people play the top note on the beat because that's the melody. They want the melody. I play the bottom note on the beat because that's how I was taught. It's what I'm used to. You can't really tell much until the third measure, because then you got some chords that are not wavy lined. It's when they mix them with wavy and non-wavy that you can start to tell where the beat is, Just make sure you're every note in the chord, one at a time, quickly. Pedal-wise, I was using pedal there. You just legato pedal everything. You can, if you can tell by the words where the phrases are, you can lift the pedal up with the phrasing, so you can hear a little silence between the phrasing. I'll leave that up to you, or legato pedal the whole thing. Well, don't have a lot to say here. It's just a lot of chords and a lot of rolled chords, one note at a time. Quickly. It's nice. It can be overdone a bit, but it's nice to have around. This is the kind of thing that if you're playing for something, you need something in the background or what, you play something like this, but play it up real high on the piano, like up here. And you just roll everything. Just something that if you need, we're improvising a little bit. Let's play this together very slowly. I don't know that you're going to be able to hear much because all these chords, how can you tell I guess you can tell if you're hitting a wrong note or something. If it sounds different than what I'm playing, you may hit a wrong note. Well, let's try it slowly together, and we are going to repeat this. And then for the Amen, I'm going to hold each of those 8 counts instead of 4 because of the fermata. And for the last one, I'm going to roll that chord slowly. Like so. It's an interpretive thing. You can decide how fast you want to roll it. I wouldn't roll any of these other chords slowly. Do them quickly. You don't have time to do them slowly. But you might be able to slow occasionally one down, like a whole note, the end of the first line here. You want to slow that down a little bit? Because you got 4 notes or 4 beats to hold on to it rather than 1 or 2. So you could slow that down a little bit. It's an interpretive thing. You decide. Learn it first, and then you can start thinking about how the music feels. And that's where you decide how fast you're going to roll or whatever. I'm going to give us 4 counts. Let's play this together. Okay, hands in position, foot's on the pedal. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, repeat. 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Off.